Hush, my little ones, have no fear. The man in the moon is the engineer.
Hello everyone and welcome to my video tutorial of the Dollmaker for NYX's doll search competition. This look is based on the Dollmaker from American McGee's Alice Madness Returns, and it's a combination of two of his appearances, one being the person who quote and unquote makes dolls, and the other one being a puppeteer controlling people's minds. Hence, the creepy puppet hand. This got dark real quick, so let's get to the tutorial, shall we? First things first, I need a super clean hairless base, so I'm blocking my eyebrows. Next, I'm applying foundation on my entire face so I can have an even base. And then with a white pencil, I'm sketching out where I want everything to go. There's going to be a lot of shading on this face, so prepare yourselves. I'm starting out with a dark brown eyeshadow and go around the hairline, the face, the eyes, the nose and the tears, making sure to blend it out with a fluffier brush. I'm going over everything but a bit more precise with a black eyeshadow. I'm then taking a burgundy eyeshadow and I'm creating slits on the face. Next, I'm creating the eyebrows and I'm using brown and black eyeshadows and creating hair-like strokes. Since I have the black eyeshadow in hand, I'm creating the shadows of the staples that are holding the slits together and adding some folds around them as if they are stretching the skin around them. I'm then taking some grey body paint for the actual staples and shading the edges with black eyeshadow. I'm taking the foundation once again to highlight pretty much everywhere to give it more definition. Next, I'm taking black body paint to clear and fill all the edges for the illusion of a skinnier face. And I'm going to be leaving as much of these clips as possible as they're super satisfying. Well, just me? For the hair, I am using a lot of mixtures of black, brown, yellow and white body paints to blend my forehead to the actual hair. Just never let me do highlights on my own, thanks very much. I'm going to leave the face as it is for now and I'll move on to the body. I'm using the same white pencil for sketching again and creating the neck, the tie, the shirt and the coat. I'm applying foundation on the new neck and shading it with brown eyeshadow. I'm then filling in the shirt with white body paint and shading it with black eyeshadow. For the tie, I'm combining once again black, brown and white body paint to give it dimension. I'm creating the coat using a dark blue body paint. While that is drying, I am filling in one arm with white body paint, leaving the top of the shoulder unfilled so that it will appear as if the body is taller than the shoulder. On the other arm, I'm using grey body paint to create that wooden cross puppet thingy with its strings and clearing it with black body paint. I'm using a black eyeshadow on both shoulders to make them 3D. And using the black body paint again, I'm clearing all the empty spaces. Empty spaces. Okay, I'll shut up, I promise. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm adding dimension to the coat by adding harsh black lines and not so harsh around it. I then mix some blue and white and go on the places I want to pop more. And lastly, going in with white for the highlights. And now for the part we've all been waiting for. Okay, I've been waiting for, which is filling the face in with black and bringing it down the neck as if it's dripping. No, it's not facial hair, it's some disgusting slime, so I'm adding some texture all around it with grey and then white body paint for the highlights. I'm also applying some black eyeshadow on some places to appear more matte. I'm next creating the hand, and since you can't see much, I'll try to explain as good as I can. I'm first applying foundation on it and then dirtying it up a bit with a brown and black eyeshadow, as well as adding some irritation or bruising with the burgundy eyeshadow. I'm creating a baby doll face on the top of the hand using white and black body paint and shading it with black eyeshadow. I'm outlining it with black body paint and connecting the strings to it. And here is the hand finished, since you couldn't really see it. This was the tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it and got creeped out by it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for more. Do check out the rest of the entries following the hashtag dollsearchgreece and give them all some love. Thank you very much for watching and pray for me. Bye bye!